Hi there! Today's video is on fresh oregano tea, how to make it and why you want to drink it every day. Now, oregano is well known in the kitchen as a culinary herb, but it's not as well known for its health properties, and that's what this video is about today. So first I'm going to tell you about its health properties, and then we're going to go into the kitchen where I'll show you how to make it. This is what fresh oregano looks like. You can grow it in a container, in your garden, or on your front porch, or like I am doing, you can just let it grow straight into the ground. Just keep in mind that if you decide to grow it in the ground like I have here, it does spread aggressively. So every fall and every spring, I have to cut this back pretty hard so that it just doesn't take over the whole garden. As you can see, this was already cut back this spring and it's growing like crazy. But if you have the space, then go for it. All right, let's get into its health properties. Oregano is a member of the mint family, but as you know, it tastes nothing like mint at all. It is one of the most powerful herbs in terms of just being comprehensive. It's an antioxidant, antibacterial, antiviral, antiparasitic, and an anti-inflammatory. The two primary components of oregano that make it responsible for this incredible list here are carvacrol and thymol. Now, oregano is also packed with other antioxidants and phenols that make it incredible for your health, but it's the carvacrol and the thymol that elevate it to powerhouse status. Here's what those two components do for your body. Oregano is effective against at least 23 known bacteria, including this guy right here. This is the bacteria that causes urinary tract infections, respiratory system infections, dermatitis, soft tissue infections, bacteremia, bone and joint infections, gastrointestinal infections, and a variety of other systemic infections. A test tube study showed that carvacrol helps suppress the growth and spread of colon cancer cells. In studies, carvacrol has also inactivated norovirus, which is a viral infection that causes diarrhea, nausea, and stomach pain within 1 hour of treatment. More studies have shown thymol and carvacrol to inactivate 90% of the herpes simplex virus within just 1 hour. Carvacrol is effective against these strains of strep. Carvacrol has also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties that reduce tissue inflammation. Carvacrol and thymol can inhibit the growth of both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Carvacrol and thymol also have antifungal and antibiofilm effects. It's effective against candida and parasites. Drinking this tea every day will help keep a healthy gut in balance and give support to your immune system, all in a very gentle way. Now, if you have an actual infection, drinking this version of tea that I'm going to show you in the kitchen a little bit later on will not be strong enough to combat the infection. You may have to cross over into using the oregano essential oil. Mike the Heal Your Gut Guy, which you can check him out right here, does a video on oregano essential oil and how it is the most effective and most powerful essential oil to combat candida. Oregano essential oil can also be used as an alternative to an antibacterial agent if you have a cut or a scrape. It will prevent infection, and I've had a lot of really good experience with that. But of course, consult your physician about that. Okay, let's head into the kitchen and I'll show you how to make it. Strip the leaves off the lower stem, pinch the soft top off, then discard the stem. By chopping up the oregano versus just using the whole leaf, releases more of the carvacrol and the thymol properties into the tea. Use about a tablespoonish of the fresh herb to 1 cup of water. Toss the oregano into your cup, then pour boiling water over the top. Allow it to steep 20 minutes, strain, and drink. If you want to make a few days worth of the tea, place about a cup of the fresh oregano into a glass jar, then pour 4 cups of boiling water over the top. Put on the lid and allow it to steep and cool several hours before putting it into the fridge. Strain and reheat when you're ready to drink it, and this will last about a week in the fridge before you want to make a fresh batch. Want to boost the action of this tea by combining it with other herbs from Mother Nature's medicine cabinet? Check out these videos right here. This one's on rose hips and this one is on fresh dandelion root. Hit that subscribe button to be a part of my channel, Clean Food Living, then ding the bell icon to be notified each time I upload a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye.